today we're going over this thing. Don't know what to call it yet, hasn't got a name yet. So, this was originally part of the Eagle tape, which you might recall from an earlier video. It was mounted as an underbarrel on this thing. This afterburner here. Yeah. So, I moved it to here. I had made this so it could fire as many different dart types as possible. It can fire Mega and Mega XL quite easily. Mega, give me a second. Going to do firing demonstration here. It might be loud. Mega. And Mega XL. Can fire both of those with an insert. With an insert that looks sort of like this thing. It can fire Ultra. If I can get it seated properly. Where's the Ultra? Which I have a couple Ultra darts. There's more than just those two. There's like 3 or 4 of them. Which it fires, it ricochets a lot. This thing does sometimes pop out, so it's sort of a shell, not quite. Yeah, just picking up darts there. So, this thing had originally been mounted on a Retaliator barrel. Now it's mounted directly on the Retaliator. Because when it was mounted on the barrel, it was big, and it got in the way of this, in the way of the priming. The only modification to the Retaliator is removed air restrictors. This thing, of course, has no air restrictors. Yeah, you can see the plunger head. It does need to be lubricated some, I think. And it doesn't have a proper trigger. So I'm gonna try to, deprime it gently. Yep. So this I created to supplement this and to supplement the Spectrum Battle Rifle. Because the Spectrum Battle Rifle only fires elite darts, I wanted something that was a Springer that could fire both elites, megas, and also Mega XL. The only thing I've found that this cannot fire is Rival. Which, give me a second. This thing can fire, because Rival balls are about the same size as a Mega Dart. You can just shove them right down the barrel. So, I think that's it. Like, subscribe, link to the Discord channel, Discord server in the description.